Welcome back to my morning report, chart appraisals on Thursday the 6th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to cable now, and we've got this consolidation on cable that continues. It had a slight dip that was then turned around intraday yesterday, so this consolidation really continues. 56, I've got it at 56.75, which was because it was a little bit of a support, old support has become new resistance, and it continues to really be new resistance, even though we had a slight move to 56.90 intraday last week or a couple of weeks ago. But it certainly seems to be that this is the consolidation that continues. Momentum indicators pretty much across the board reflecting that on the daily chart. Now, what we have just had is the industrial production numbers out for the UK. Slightly disappointing, actually, dipping to 1.5% on the year-on-year data for the month, which was below expectations. Although the manufacturing data was basically in line with expectations, the industrial production was slightly down. So that's just hit cable by about 10 pips or so, nothing major, but you can still see this consolidation going, and I think we can obviously this consolidation is in front of this huge Super Thursday, which is what they're calling it, the Bank of England giving all these updates on monetary policy, the Bank of England meeting minutes, and also the quarterly inflation report as well. So you've got a lot going on that could well drive the volatility this afternoon for cable. And we could well see a final sort of breakout from this range, which continues. You've still got the fib levels that are playing a minor role within the band. Certainly the 50% seems to be a bit of a floor, and the 38.2% level seems to be a bit of resistance around 56.50 area. But certainly it's nothing really doing at the moment. The technicals are basically neutral. The MACD lines and RSI on the hourly chart are all but neutral, and suggesting continued range bound. So maybe the market is waiting for this this announcement at 12 o'clock today to see if we can get a breakdown, a break on this cable chart, either below the 54.60 area, which is the reaction low, or above the 56.70 area, which was the range highs. So we continue to wait for a catalyst and breakout, and it could be today, but until then we won't see it, because obviously we've also got payrolls data tomorrow as well, which will be a driver of volatility. So that will be in the back of traders' minds as well. So I'll speak to you later, and good luck.